So in this video, we are going to talk about 12 secrets which will transform you into a people magnet and you will instantly attract everyone during the conversation. So let's get started. Number 1, master the listening pause. After someone finishes speaking, wait 2 to 3 seconds before responding. This gives the other person a sense of being fully heard. Number 2, smile with your eyes, not just your mouth. A true smile is seen in your eyes. People can see sincerity when your smile reaches your eyes. Number 3, use their name twice in conversations. People love hearing their own name. Using it once you meet them and once you say goodbye makes people feel valued. Number 4, mirror body language. Matching the other person's postures and gestures in a natural way creates subconscious rapport and connection. Number 5, indirect compliments. Instead of direct compliments, praise their qualities to someone else when they are present. This makes the compliment feel more genuine. And number 6, maintain soft eye contact. Instead of staring, alternate between strong and soft eye contact. This keeps people comfortable while showing you are engaged. Number 7, use we language. Shift from you and me to we. This small change fosters a sense of partnership and unity. Number 8, the platinum rule. Instead of treating people how you want to be treated, treat them how they want to be treated. Number 9, use open body language. Face your chest toward the other person, keep your arms uncrossed, and lean slightly forward. This makes others subconsciously feel that you are receptive and interested. Number 10, show interest in what they value. Everyone is passionate about something. When you show genuine interest in what matters to them, they will gravitate towards you. Number 11, practice empathy with feel, felt, and found. When someone shares a problem, respond with understanding. I feel your problem. I felt that too. Here is what I found. These kind of sentences build rapport and trust. Number 12, and the last one, echo their vocabulary. Use words and phrases which the other person uses during the conversation. It makes them feel understood without realizing why. So friends, these are the 12 techniques which can instantly transform you into a people's magnet. And if you want to go to next level in life and watch more educational and interesting videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel MindZing.